In this video, I tried to explain some ways how to make money with Reddit. Reddit is a famous social media platform connecting millions across the globe. You must have seen Reddit and even used it. It is a social media space aggregating news, articles, discussion spaces, and knowledge base for its users. According to this video, more than 430 million users are accessing and using the app daily. Moreover, seeing the kind of use cases and how Reddit is growing, we see a positive future for this social media platform. Above all, using the app, have you ever thought of earning through it? Do you think about how to make money with Reddit? In this video, I will try to explain some legit and legal ways in which you can use Reddit to earn some money. The basic structure of Reddit is communities. Communities are nothing but groups related to a particular topic. They can range from sports, fitness, gaming, blogs, startups, and even medical health. Reddit calls these communities subreddits. To supervise and maintain the functioning of these subreddits, we have moderators or simple mods. These mods are themselves users running these subreddits. You can start a new discussion, comment on existing posts, and like or share digital awards. In order to make money with Reddit, you need to look out for certain subreddits that offer opportunities for the same. Unlike other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, you do not have your own personal brand. You can only earn through certain subreddits providing such opportunities. In this video, I will try to list a few legit and genuine subreddits that lets you earn money using different means. Here are some subreddits to make money from Reddit. The first, GiftCardExchange. When you do shopping, you must have come across gift cards. This is the best subreddit to buy or sell gift cards at discounts or profits. If you see some of the gift cards that are lying to you without any use, you can sell them here. You can even search this subreddit for a particular gift card that you may be wanting for your shopping spree. The second, BeerMoney. This subreddit is not providing any direct opportunities to earn money. However, it caters to different discussions wherein users share their experiences on earning a side hustle. You cannot expect to earn your entire livelihood from this, but you can surely make a side income adding to your current earnings. The third, SlaveLabour. This subreddit lets users post certain tasks that anyone can apply for and get paid once they finish the task. Now, how is this different from freelancing websites? The main difference is that it offers low prices, and Reddit, as a platform, is not charging any intermediary fees. You and your client will deal directly, and there is a comment-based bidding system as well. The tasks can range from simple website designing to being a startup founder. The fourth, WallStreetBets. If you are into trading and investing, then this subreddit can help you a lot. This subreddit does not provide any direct online or offline jobs. Rather, it shares information on the current stocks and trading suggestions. You may be able to get more benefits if you already know some basics of the finance domain. However, one thing to note is that any trading or investing does come with a risk factor. So, if you are into discussing and implementing the strategies mentioned in this subreddit, you are responsible for any loss you incur. Nonetheless, there would be many subreddit members to help you out. The fifth, SideHustle. This subreddit has many side projects related to tech, dropshipping, e-commerce, and much more. Users post their requirements and the time duration in which they are expecting the work to be done. If you have the skills and the required expertise, you can apply it directly and start working on it. Moreover, not only tasks in this subreddit, you can find many informational posts on generating new income streams depending on your skill set. Sixth, RemoteWork. This subreddit mainly focuses on tasks and goals that you can do remotely, hence the name RemoteWork. You can find tons of software development related jobs along with other tasks such as resume reviewing, portfolio creation, graphic designing, and much more. This subreddit also has many users sharing their tips and tricks to utilize the subreddit's resources for maximum returns. 7. ProgrammingTasks. If you are a programmer and looking for projects in the development field, then this subreddit would be the best place to spend your time on. You can find all sorts of programming projects ranging from web development to machine learning applications. The only thing to note would be sometimes the tasks are quite specialized and may need exceptional skills. Still, if you 8. Jobs for Bitcoins. In this subreddit, you can find tons of technical jobs related to programming, graphic designing, and even crypto-related tasks. The only aspect is that the payment would be made to you in Bitcoins. No other form of payment is accepted or promoted. This is simple like other subreddits, but for people who want to earn in crypto assets rather than fiat currencies. 9. HireAWriter. If you are a freelancing writer, you cannot miss this subreddit. You will find tons of jobs related to writing. The tasks would include copywriting, ghostwriting, and even proofreading. To start working on any project, you can bid and decide accordingly. If the bid is too low, you may skip and choose as per your choice. It would be wise to choose projects that lets you earn a decent amount of money. 10. DesignJobs. This is a subreddit that every graphic designer should access and look forward to. You can find all types of graphic designing jobs, from logo designing and poster designing to complex animations. One great aspect of this subreddit is that the minimum pay per hour is $20 for any job posting. So it ensures that you are paid a $20 per hour minimum irrespective of the complexity of the work. 11. Passive income. This subreddit does not include any direct job postings. Rather, it is more like a community of Reddit users that share their ideas and experiences to generate passive income. You can find ideas on blogging, affiliate marketing, and even how to launch your own courses. Apart from this, you can find certain tips and suggestions on investing, worthy app ideas, and much more. 12. Startups. This subreddit includes everything related to startups. You can present your ideas and validate if your idea is a worthy prospect to follow or not. You can find people with similar interests and partners for your own startups. The niche of startups is not restricted. You can find people presenting startups from finance to gaming all in one place. This subreddit does not directly post any startup-related task in return for money. However, you can interact with many other similar people and scale your idea, which can eventually become your next income source. You can even build your own subreddit community. Apart from the above subreddits, I am sure there must be many others too. However, the other way to generate an income source for yourself is to build your own subreddit. The subreddit can represent your existing business related to any domain. For example, if you own a car rental service, you can create a subreddit related to cars and the car rental business. You will find many like-minded people connecting with you on your subreddit. Your subreddit can become the premier source to attract customers to your existing businesses. Many people who have been running their blogs or affiliate marketing channels are using Reddit to create and develop a community of people with similar interests. You can promote your service or freelancing work. You can even create a community to sell your online course, a book, or a tangent physical product. If you closely observe, the opportunities are endless that you can explore. The only thing that will drive your community is how you manage it and how you grow it. You need to remember that you need to deliver what people want, not what people need. So, there you have it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.